Well, welcome back, everyone. It was another exciting day in markets. It's a very busy week in markets in front of us. The long-term uptrend channels remain intact. The big uptrend channel from the back end of March remains intact. It's about the NASDAQ this week with the Mag 7 stocks giving us their earnings on Wednesday and Thursday. On Wednesday, we're going to hear from Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and Alphabet, and Apple on Thursday. We've also got the FOMC on tap, and the NASDAQ has stretched out to make higher intra-session all-time highs yet again today on the heels of the move that we saw at the back end of last week. This market hasn't quit, but we do have an indecision candle at the hard right edge. And for many traders in a market like today, you're kind of caught between chop on the way up, chop on the way down, and the market just chops around. Well, even with that chop, we've got strategies that can help identify opportunities in markets just like these. For instance, using 37-time real money international investment trading champions toolkit, that Champion Trend Pack toolkit. You can see it over here very simply with the Champion Cross Indicator, green opaque zone on an hourly chart of the primary market, the S&P E-minis. You can see the Champion Trend Zone, the less green but still zone in place, the MSR channel sloping up, and price action took some time to get going from midday onwards. We did have a little bit of dip in the morning. We dipped down into that channel, reversed back up, but the market started to get going around noon and picking itself back up. If you take a look at this period right over here as we were rising and it was starting to get a little choppier, coming up into the highs that were made earlier, which is really last night, Sunday night, we see the market riding the speed lines on the hourly bar. Here's its deconstruction on the 5-minute bar. That Spike 2.0 tool gave us a bullish crossover. Champion Cross started to expand. Champion Trend was in place. We started to rise and ride the speed lines. And despite the chop that you can see on the candles, we continued to grind our way up for a final push up that took us up on that 3:45 p.m. Eastern Time bar, and again another pop-up before some negative divergences came in, taking advantage of the chop with pockets when we're riding the speed lines. We've got the right backdrop with the Spike 2.0, and most importantly, the right backdrop from a multi-time frame basis is exactly what I did earlier today as well to take advantage of this market, and was able to gross trading individual accounts each at a time with small trades over $1,100. Now, this is not guarantee for success for future. Past performance is not indicative of future results, but the process works over and over and over, and when I see results, I'm following the rules, and of course, using the tools accurately. If you want to learn how to take advantage of these markets, well, my friend Dr. K is going to be doing a very special session this Wednesday, April the 29th, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Central. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes, or click the link in the video. It's not a recorded session, and you're going to hear some incredible strategies to help you get passing your prop and evaluation accounts. For those of you that have joined us very recently, very warm welcome to you, and looking forward to seeing you at Dr. K's session this Wednesday, April the 29th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 7 a.m. Pacific, 9 a.m. Central. Simply go to becomeabettertrader.com/yes and get your seat now.